Welcome back everyone to the next edition of Southerly Magazine Retravision Recipe. Today we're going to be making Albany sardines from Bevans with olive paste, some seared bread, balsamic glaze, finished with a little bit of rocket. So today we're going to be using Albany sardines from Bevans baits. We're going to use some rocket, some olives for the olive paste, some garlic, some parmesan, lots of lemon, some salt and pepper, and an Italian glaze. Also a nice loaf of bread as well. So we're going to start off with making the olive paste to go on top of the bread once we've toasted that. So we'll go with the pitted olives with a little bit of juice there as well. We'll go with the garlic. You've got about 1.5 to 2 cloves there, depending on the size of the garlic. Parmesan paste, pumpkin cheese. Got probably about 2.5 tablespoons of olive oil. And then probably a nice squeeze of lemon juice in there, just get a bit of flavour into it. Goes nicely with the sardines as well. I've pre-taken the pips out of those, so then squeeze those in there. And got a little bit of salt and pepper. So in the pepper. And a bit of salt. You won't add too much salt because the olives are quite salty anyway. I'm just going to blitz that for a minute or so, probably not even a minute, just to become nice and smooth. There we go, a nice little olive paste there, which we can spread on at the end to get the rest of the dish. So now we're going to toast our bread in the Le Creuset tough non-stick griddle pan. So we're going to pop our bread into the pan. So just pop those in there. We're going to brush those with a little bit of olive oil and garlic mix we've got here. Just give it a bit of flavour to it over, help colour up, make a nice side to cook on for presentation. Don't do much, you don't spread out evenly either. Just pop that there. So today we're actually using a Le Creuset induction cooktop. On the particular burner I've got at the moment, you can actually join both burners together, so you can use the one control to control them. The benefits of induction is very easy to control, very quick and very fast and responsive to use. So we'll leave that for a couple of minutes to brown up both sides, and we'll come back when it's almost done. So these have been cooking for a couple of minutes now. They should come up with nice and colourful caramelised. Look at those. You don't want to get it too crispy, you want to just get a little bit of that flavour in there with the garlic. There we go, so we just let that cook through and crisp on that side, and we'll come back and we'll start our sardines. Right, so now we're going to seal off our sardines in the pan. We're using our tough and non-stick Le Creuset pan here. This is the 28cm one. These come with a lifetime guarantee on them as well. That's great. With Le Creuset pans, you don't need to use them at high heat. You can just use them at a medium to high heat. So a little bit of oil in there. And just the sardines, we'll just seal them skin side down. And these literally only take maybe 1 to 2 minutes. These come from Bevans and they're pre-butterflied like this, ready to go. There's a few little bones in there with them still, but once you actually cook these through, those bones are almost edible as they are. Got the lemon first on there. Squeeze it over. You can tell this recipe, lots of lemon, some garlic, some salt. Once again, don't want too much because of the olives that are already in the paste, and some pepper. A decent amount of pepper, so you go for that sort of a lemon pepper sort of taste. Alright, that's done, so we'll just let them seal, get nice and crispy on one side, on the skin side, and we'll come back and go from there. So these have almost been cooked now, so they're almost cooked through on one side. Took about, literally probably a minute and a half. Just going to quickly turn these. So that the skin was nice and crispy. With the colour of the fish. You probably leave that for about 30 seconds and we'll take it off. So I'd like to talk a bit about smeg. Due to the fact today we've used an induction cooktop in the 90cm. They have a range of underbench ovens in a 90cm range and also a 60cm. This, for the next couple of months, they're offering a 5-year warranty on their dishwashers, also a 90-day money-back guarantee. Their induction, if you purchase an induction cooktop, you'll get an induction pot set valued up to $500. So that's a great little deal there. Also, if you purchase Smeg appliances, you can get up to 10% cash back. So if you purchase one appliance, you get 5% off via redemption. 2 appliances, you get 7.5%, and 3 appliances, you can get up to 10% back. That's on the Victorian Classic range of Smeg appliances. So some great deals happening at Smeg at the moment. So pop on down the store and talk to one of the cooking guys down there. So now we're going to put the dish together of the ingredients we created today with the Albany sardines from Bevans, some rocket, some olive paste, balsamic glaze to glaze at the end, and our bread. So just grab a piece of that bread, we'll spread it with a little bit of the olive paste. Be nice and generous with this, it's quite tasty. Bit of rocket on top. Cut those pieces of bread just in half to make it present a bit better on the plate. Piece of that there. Another piece. This one as well. Made a mess again. Another piece of sardine. Try and keep it nice and high if you can. I'll drizzle a little bit of balsamic glaze over top. A little fancy if chef like. And we'll just do a touch of pepper over top. Just a lemon on the side. Just help themselves to that if they want more. And there we go. Albany sardines from Bevans with rocket and olive pesto. So there we have it, another edition of the Southerly Magazine Retravision Recipe. Today we created local Albany sardines from Bevans with rocket and olive paste. That goes nicely with a bottle of Castelli SSB.